Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and um, I am back for a couple months from work, and I was sitting here thinking, how should I kick off um, me crafting again and getting back on YouTube um, with a giveaway. So I was sitting here trying to think of a easy way of getting my name back out there. I noticed that some people have moved on from my video, which is totally okay. I get it. I do it too. So, um, I just, I totally understand. I mean, it's the way of the biz, you know? I mean, it's the way of YouTube. Um, so I'm sitting here thinking, I don't need anything. I don't want anything to make anything. I'm just thinking of a really easy way of getting my name out there. So here are the rules. You have to be a subscriber. You have to be 18 years and older, please. You have to make a VR on your channel announcing my giveaway. Doesn't have to be fancy. It could be quick and sweet. Fourth, you need to come back to this video and let me know, so I can go and check it out and see. Oh, as a subscriber, you have to be a visible subscriber. If I don't see you, I am not going to put your name in the drawing. I'm sorry. But I don't know if it's really you or not. So you have to be a visible subscriber, 18 years and older, make a VR, and come back to this video and say that you did the VR. Simple, right? I've collected a lot of things, just a few things in a little summer bag. I'm gonna mail out. I'll announce the winner on, or I will pull the names from this video to a random picker. I think it's a random YouTube picker or something, and then mail out your prize or your winnings the next day on the 12th, because I leave to go on vacation on the 13th. So yeah, pretty simple, right? You just have to make a video and announce, that I'm back for a couple months for now. And if you want to win a giveaway, those are the steps to take. So yeah. Thanks everybody for watching. Hopefully there'll be quite a few. If not, that's okay. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.